Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Susan D. Harrison of Spa-tique and Sound Sanctuary in Middleton, Wisconsin. Today, I want to share a couple of ideas of essential oils, aromatherapy that you can use in oil or directly on the lymph nodes to help break up congestion, achiness, bloating, swelling, you name it, anything that's feeling like an ailment to you. And there's a couple of oils that will be familiar and some that may not be so much. The first one that we're going to talk about is cypress. Cypress is a tree that we commonly see in Italy, or think of Italy when we see them very elongated, strong and tall, and very much like a pine tree. Anytime an oil is from a pine tree or a tree itself, that means it's going to help with the circulation. And so it really moves through the body efficiently. And the cypress kind of has like a fresher green smell, kind of a little bit eucalyptus herbally like. And what I like about the cypress is that it's very detoxifying, moving the circulation even more, purging the toxins from the different fat cells, especially as we massage them even more so. It's typically combined, or I should say, we made up a combination of an oil blend for a class previously where we use cypress along with grapefruit and orange. So grapefruit, you can just think of grapefruit and your saliva glands just start melting as you think of the spicy bitterness of a perkiness of grapefruit. And that's exactly what it does. It's very diuretic, helps with bloating, helps move toxins out. But yeah, it's also brightening to your mind, as well as orange. We just feel happy whenever orange is around us. And that's also very detoxifying and helping with fluid retention. So a couple years ago, we were teaching a class, and we created a blend recipe in there, and we used about a 4-ounce bottle, and we used 27 drops of cypress, 16 drops of grapefruit, and 12 drops of orange, so that the sweetness of the orange, but yet then we still got the active circulation movement of the cypress and the grapefruit for sure. So that makes a really nice one. Also, cypress helps with strengthening the capillary walls. So if we think of spider veins and just the fluid in our legs, that's going to be a great combination to use on your legs. There's two other oils that are noted in Chinese medicine, especially for helping with dampness, swelling, fatigue, bloating, heaviness in the body. And the first one is fennel. And that's not one that we typically have in our cabinet at home. But fennel is, again, a spicy but yet clarifying herb. And so Indian restaurants will typically even have a bowl of fennel seeds that you take a spoonful of and put in your mouth as you're leaving, because it has such a great job of cleansing your mouth as well as stimulating your lymphatic system. So fennel is especially known for moving fluids down to your kidneys and purging that out of your body, as well as giving you more energy, chi, to your lungs. So great that way. So applying that anywhere on the stomach area would be great. And then juniper berry is very much a spicy, warm, earthy, but yet a peppery kind of essential oil. So juniper berry, very tasty in the sense of warming up the body. And that's especially known for, oh, I know. What I love about this one is that it helps with the sluggishness and the bloating and swelling around the feet especially. And so whether you use the first three oils or all of them together, but especially the juniper berry would be great to use on the feet. This is a move I always use in massage treatments, and I call it cleaning out the gutters. The top of your foot, in between the toes here, is the reflexology point for lymphatic drainage. And so we're literally, as we're milking and stripping and getting that fluid moving from there, it's sending that energy up through your whole body. So if you can use any of those oils on the top of your feet, as well as anywhere else on your body, that's going to be awesome. And I recall cypress was especially noted for putting specifically on the lymph nodes, wherever you might feel congested. A note that the grapefruit and orange are photosensitive. It's not something you want to use like right before you go out in the sun, or make sure you use the sunblock over it as well. So those are some additional tips that you can ponder. So after you take your walk heel to toe, after you do your deep breathing and do your dry brushing, take a shower, you can oil up and you're ready to go and ready for spring. So I look forward to seeing you again and next time. Have a great one.